What's he saying, Lawson?
A shot. His heartbeat, I can't hear it.
You can't hear his heartbeat?
He has no heart.
He doesn't have a heart.
That's the problem.
That's a problem. Yes, it is.
He doesn't have a heart.
Uh-oh.
He's a Yes, let me do it on his ear.
You think maybe you can hear his heart in his ear?
Let him cry. He's on a bad shape.
He's in bad shape, huh?
Well, it says it's on a good shape, but I don't know what's wrong with him then.
Hmm.
Mine is funny.